Hi everyone, let's understand that how we can access the Linux CentOS and Ubuntu using the PuTTY, right? So you can see I'm having two different virtual machines, CentOS and Ubuntu. So let's open the PuTTY configuration and is asking for the IP address, right? So for that, I'll open the CentOS first. As you can see, this is my CentOS, right? And before starting, there's one important step, that is you need to go to the devices, search for the network and open the network setting, right? Now here you can see attached to NAT. What you need to do is that you need to change it to the bridged adapter. After that, click on OK, right? Done. Now simply just come to your terminal, and here after doing that process you need to reboot, right? So let's write reboot here and press enter. So now your CentOS will reboot. Okay, let's press enter. It will take some time, don't worry. That's very common. Fine. And now you can see your username, and here you enter the password, and after that uh, it will log in you into your CentOS, right? Fine. Now you are on your desktop. Now simply just open the terminal now, and after opening the terminal, what you need to do is you need to write here if config, right? If config, and after that you will see this response, and here you will find that IP address, right? That was required to connect. You can check here, inet 192.168.1.8. This is your IP address to connect with the CentOS, right? Simply now, after getting this, what you need to do is open your PuTTY configuration and mention this particular configuration there, 192.168.1.8, right? And after that, click on the open, give the access, so accept it. Now login as, simply mention your username, so that is Piyush, and after that give the password, so write the password here. So we have successfully got the access to it. As you can see, Piyush at the rate localhost is now present, right? So uh, now you can also change something, like you can change the appearance and setting of this also, like right click on it on the top, and then you can check the change setting option here. Simply click on the appearance and you will find the change button, right? Just click on the change button, and after that you can change the font, you can change the font style, right? All these things. As you can see, it is more visible now. Great. Now if I try to run any particular command, the same output I'm getting that I'll get on the CentOS. If I write pwd and press enter, you can see this is the response that I was getting on the CentOS. So this is a proof that we are now successfully connected through the terminal, right? You can check the same response I'm getting here also. So whatever the response that I'm getting on the CentOS, I can get that with the help of the PuTTY terminal. So I need not to come to this particular virtual machine and open it and run it. Means you need to open it before starting and connecting with it. But you can work with the PuTTY terminal for the CentOS, right? Now let's understand for the Ubuntu also how we can connect it. Simply come to the device, same process. Come to the network setting. Make sure that it is bridged up adapter, right? If it is NAT, then change it. Fine. Now after that, open the terminal, and here you need to write IP ADDR. Make sure that in the CentOS we have written if config. Here it is IP ADDR, and this is your particular IP address, right? So let's do one thing. Let's just reopen the PuTTY terminal, right? And mention the IP address here, 192.168.1.9. Open. give the access, accept, and login as give your username, that is Piyush in my case, give the password, done. And now we are successfully connected, right? You can do the same thing here, like you can change the setting and set up the appearance also. Let's change it, make it bold. Great, it is done now. Now you are inside your Ubuntu terminal, right? So you can see Piyush at the rate Ubuntu. If I write any particular terminal command, it is giving the same response that I'll get on the Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu. So this is how we use the PuTTY terminal. This is how we access the Linux CentOS or access the Ubuntu using the PuTTY. I hope you got the concept. Uh, Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.